Right. Sorry about this ridiculous glare. But anyway, just adjusting to the new area of the studio here. My neck hurts. Anyway, I'm gonna jump into some EDC stuff. We're gonna do this as quick as possible. This is just an update. So I'm gonna start with the bag. So anyway, the bag. Somebody had asked me recently about an update on the inner panel that I made for it. I still have it in there. I'll show you the completed part of it real quick. So basically, there's the whole setup in there. Now these aren't stuck in there. That's the Maxpedition Daily Essentials pouch, and then you got a VanQuest EDCM Huge, and then you have another VanQuest EDCM Huge, and this is made to just come out of there like that, just in case I want to take this out of the bag, and I don't want to use it. It does lock this one, which is what I like. So sometimes I'll keep my firearm in there. Not all the time, but I do always keep all my extra magazines and stuff like that inside here. The Glock 43 fits right inside there. My old holster used to fit inside this elastic band. This one, the new holster I have from QVO, it does not. So, yeah, I just kind of leave it in there like that if I'm going to, and shut it up, and that's just how that works. So the this panel here, it's not doing what I wanted it to do, but it is better than nothing. They were supposed to email me, Recycle Firefighter, about the panel. When they get them done, you can see it's all like warped. So basically, this is one of these panels here, the knife cutting boards, and I just cut it, but it gets real flimsy when you start doing that. But anyway, it does what I needed it to do, which is hold this pouch up top here and be able to slip it out if I need it to, which comes in handy if I'm in a place that I need to bring my bag and there's no firearms allowed, like my workplace, or for instance. So, and then over here, just in this, I carry my Olight S1, or this, I'm sorry, this is the M2T Warrior flashlight, 1200 lumens. This thing's awesome. This is the flashlight and holster I'll use when I'm doing security work. I've yet to do a gun belt update and the bulletproof vest and the plate carrier update for when I do security work, but I am getting to it. Just hold tight for that. Anyway, so we'll go to the firearm since it's out. It's still the Glock 43, and I have it in a new QVO holster. That's the newest edition. This is the multicam black version, and it is in carbon fiber inside. And it had the wingtip on there. I took it off. I wasn't feeling it. Didn't really thought I needed it for this, so just left it off there. Other than that, inside the bag, it's pretty much just my Daily Essentials pouch, which will go everywhere with me. If I can't bring my bag, this is coming with me. Like I always say this, like if I'm going out on the road or somewhere and I don't bring my backpack, I'll at least bring this. And inside here, there's just, a couple things of medication, Tylenol, Advil, stuff like that, etc. A comb if you need to straighten up, Burt's Bees. This is the comb, by the way. This is a Kent 82T saw cut, and this is just, you want to comb your hair, pretty important if you want to stay sharp looking. And then I have a stylus, although my new phone has a stylus, so I don't really use that much anymore, but it's there just in case. And then there's some bobby pins in here too. And yeah, that's about it for that little area. And then in here, I keep a lighter with a bunch of tape wrapped around it, and then just a bunch of stuff here. There's condoms, very important to have. Even if it's a survival item, you can use a condom for it, or obviously for what its intended use. Anyway, and I keep a fixed blade always on here. I don't like to carry a big fixed blade in my EDC, but I like to keep one around just in case. This is the Tops Wolf Pup Really, really nice fixed blade, and it's got Mercata scales. I love this little knife. And then I just keep a Sharpie in there, and then in the back here there's a tourniquet. It's just a SWAT T tourniquet. Doesn't hurt to have it around. And just a notepad and moleskin is the only other thing inside this pouch. And that's pretty much it for the daily essentials. And then the pouch here, I keep, this is another VanQuest EDCM Huge. And here you'll have a Black Scout pen with the carbide tip for breaking windows or skulls or walnuts, whatever you're breaking, you can break it with that. These, I like these bags because they lock. The difference with the Maxpedition, they don't lock. So I really like these bags, these little pouches, because they lock up. Especially this one that I'm going to keep magazines and firearms in. So this one, I just keep a bunch of tools in. We all know it's in here. You've seen multiple videos in it. So just pens, you know, stuff for entry tools, multi-tool, crowbar, warded lock picks, all that stuff. Crescent wrench, super glue. In the back here, I keep a boo-boo kit, Band-Aids, Neosporin, stuff like that. There's some Band-Aids in here. I also keep an anchor, which is actually charging the phone right now. And then a whistle. I don't know why I have a whistle in there, to be honest with you, but that's a Fox 40, in case you are into whistles. Yeah, a classic Fox 40. Rape whistle, I guess. Band-Aid, and then there's a sill lock in here. Doesn't hurt to have one of those around. That's for opening water outside, like industrial buildings or something like that. And this backpack, so this is the multicam version of the Recycle Firefighter 12-hour battalion. In case I haven't mentioned that, it's a really good backpack. It's very high quality. Not too much money. Doesn't have a bunch of little inserts and stuff. You got to kind of do it. That's why I have this panel in there, so to keep, you know, I have these, but so that's, I don't really like to keep stuff all in the bag in places because I don't actually carry the backpack everywhere I go. Like, people will be like, "Oh, what's an EDC bag?" Well, it's a bag you bring with you, but it's not with me. Like when I like go into the mall or out to dinner, I don't like bring it into the restaurant or the mall or the movie theater or anything like that. It's just in the car. It's close by. It's for emergencies. It's just there. It has what I need in it. And it's getting very popular. A lot of men are starting to do it. I actually have a girl coming on soon, and we're working on this, but to do a girl EDC, what she should have in her purse, stuff like that. I got the idea from someone, and then I was already thinking about it before, but now we're definitely doing it. It's in the progress, so stay tuned for that. Female EDC. I think it's very important. Anyway, up top here, there's just some sunscreen, facial, moisturizer. This is from Dollar Shave Club. It's got 25 SPF, but it's the real stuff, not the fake junk that's going to kill your face. And then just some gum. Gum's important. I like the Trident because it's good for your teeth. Down in here, I keep just a bandana. And then my trauma kit, my personal trauma kit, not anything else. Like, I have other trauma kits in the car. They have cat tourniquets and other tourniquets and other medical stuff. This is my personal one. We'll show you it's in there in a second. And then just some Lysol wipes, a toothbrush, toothpaste, and toilet paper. Just, you never know. You know what I mean? You have these kind of things. You break down somewhere, or, you know, you're just in a place that's disgusting. You have your own stuff. Run out to the car, grab that, put it in your pocket, come, you know. Anyway, it just doesn't hurt to have it. Better to have it, not have it, than not have it and need it, or whatever it is. So this is a pouch. I found this on Amazon. Not sure what it's called. Really cool. I love this thing. It's flat, fits in this bag perfectly. You just open it up like that, and then inside here I just keep a rat's tourniquet. This is what I prefer for EDC because it's small, it's simple, fits anywhere. This is a rat's tourniquet again, and a Ready Man sleeve. And then I just keep NRA trauma dressing from North American Rescue, a chest seal and gauze, and that is it for my personal trauma kit. That's gonna get me out of pretty much any bad situations that I need a trauma kit. You know what I mean? On my other trauma kits that are in the car or around the house, I'll have like cat tourniquets and soft key tourniquets and other chest seals and nasal passage tubes and and all that other good stuff. But for my personal thing, I don't feel like I need that much. Mainly that's for like a shooting or stabbing or something like that, or heavy trauma, hemorrhaging, massive bleeding, But anyway, up front here, I just keep my journal. This is one thing I wanted to show you guys also that I have. It's pretty new. This is the Recycle Firefighter. I'm not sure what the notebook cover is called, but it's Recycle Firefighter. It's made out of old Recycle Firefighter fire hose. And then up front here, you'll see a Fisher Space pen. I've had this pen for like 3 years now. I love this pen. I can't believe I haven't lost it. I just changed the cartridge in it because I use it a lot. I write with it a lot. But anyway, the little notebook inside is this company that I found on Instagram called Logjotter. And you can get a subscription. It's $5 a month. They send you a different book each month, a different design, or you can get their basic one, whatever you want to pick. And this is just my little journal. I just write down and draw little stuff in, just whatever's on my mind that day. It's a nice little car. Not bad. It's the F10 I designed. Actually, this is the FAW8. I'm sorry. I don't even know my own designs, but yeah, that's a car I designed. What else do I got in here? Just some other, little drawings, just quick doodles and stuff like that. Whatever. So I like these little Logjotter notebook things. I'm going to be getting a new one soon. Really like that company. It's pretty cool what they're doing. And I think they're trying to team up. I've heard a rumor that they're trying to team up a Recycle Firefighter, so that's pretty neat. But that's basically all I keep in that pouch. Well, the only other thing is I just keep Zantac there for heartburn. Heartburn sucks. I suffer from it all the time. Been trying to figure that out. Go to a stomach doctor and make sure I don't have ulcers or something. But anyway, that's another story. And then the only other thing I keep in there is a beard brush. That thing gets a little crazy sometimes. But anyway, that's pretty much it for the backpack. For on-body stuff, I'm still using my Travex clinch belt to hold all my gear up, which I don't carry too much craziness on my body. I do carry a firearm. I do carry a knife. Sometimes I carry a flashlight. If it's nighttime, I'm going out. I always say this. Always carry my little small Olight S1 Baton Mini. But it's also for work. It's always in my work pouch, which is always here. It's always on my belt, but that's got my Leatherman Surge and same deal. But this is for work only. I don't walk around with this thing, I work in a place where I need this. So anyway, there's that. If I don't have my flashlight on me and it does turn night, I always do have a flashlight on my keychain. My keys are simplified. I got rid of the key bar. It keeps breaking my freaking house key. I don't know what's the deal with that. So my keys are super simple now. Just that's it. Boom. I do have the key bar. If I do need it, I'll throw it in the bag. If I need a key off it, I'll just throw it in somewhere. But mainly, this is what I need. If it's daytime, it turns night. I have a flashlight at all times. This is the Olight E3 EOS or 3E EOS, 90 lumens, AAA, real simple. And then I just have a Victorinox. I mainly just use this for the toothpick, but and cleaning my nails and stuff. But it's got the essentials, little scissors on there, stuff like that. And then my car key, and that's it. And for watches, I'm always just rocking the original G-Shock from the 80s design, the original. I love this freaking watch, Atomic Solar watch. I got the nicer, better one, so you don't have to ever change the battery. It's about it's just about $100. And then my everyday watch, this is my Seiko 5. I absolutely love this timepiece. This thing is an absolute beast. It's on a NATO strap from Wrist Candy. It's got a polished bezel. It's a great watch. I love it, and it just looks awesome. Other than that, I just always rock these little bracelets from Rose Gold and Black and my gold chain. I don't wear this all the time unless I'm in streetwear or something like that. But yeah, the gold chain, I love it. A lot of guys don't like it. I have a dog who was killed. His name was Angel. So he was stabbed in the throat. I have him here. He was a pit bull. He was murdered. That's what the Angel Wing's all about. Don't hate. Congratulate. For sunglasses, always got to rock the Ray-Ban Clubmasters. Even when it's shady out, I think everybody just looks awesome with sunglasses on. These are the Ray-Ban Clubmasters. These are about $200. for a cheaper version of that, these are like $10. Bang. So depends. Always got a Hank on me. This is a TBC Hanks. Got the map, same thing, same deal. For knives, I rotate in and out my knives. The Kershaw Dividend, made in America. Cannot go wrong with this thing. You really cannot. This is a beautiful knife. Flips out super quick, super cheap, 30 bucks. Made in America. They even put the damn flag on there. I put a ZT clip on it. ZT. Kershaw owns ZT, whatever it is. I don't know. My other EDC knife that I like to carry a lot is the Spyderco Delica 4. I custom painted it. By the way, the kid, I said this is the knife you're going to get. Not this exact one, but something like this, custom painted. A Delica 4. I also only did one side of the custom paint, and I patinaed the clip. Love this little knife. Another cheap knife. My newest rotating knife, although I haven't. I'm probably going to gift this to a buddy because he is in need of a pretty good knife. But this is a Kaiser Begleiter. I don't know. Whatever. G10 scales, VG10 steel. Great knife. It's a little bit too long for me, but I'm thinking about gifting this out to a friend. We'll see. But I do like it. I've been carrying it. It's just not. I don't carry it too much. It's too long. But I do like these two. These are my boys. Believe me, I got other knives and stuff. ZTs, Spydercos. I got them all. But those are my main three that I rotate in and out. And that's pretty much. Oh, the other watch. I'm sorry. Let me just do this real quick. So the other watch that I've been rocking somewhat for the summertime. It's got a real summery feel to it, and it's also very nice watch to wear for out on occasions. Now it doesn't look this good with this without this strap on there, but this is the Vencero Creos. I know it's not the greatest watch. It's about 130 bucks. I know it ain't worth that much, but it's still, when you put this NATO strap on there, if I can get it on there. Don't embarrass me. I don't want this video to take forever. I'm freestyling it. Alright, so the NATO strap, it just makes it look really good. It does come with pretty nice leather straps, but there's nothing like a NATO. I mean, that thing just looks awesome on there. With the white bezel, it's a good watch. It still ticks great. It's got the sapphire glass. It's a nice watch. I mean, for 130 bucks, I'm happy with it. It's very trendy. It's very, you know, not your, you know, it's not a Seiko, it's not a Hamilton, it's not a freaking, you know, some of these other huge watches. It's a newer company, but it's a very cool watch. I like it. No complaints there. That's the other watch I wear on a more fancier occasions. I gotta go. I'll see you guys later. Try not to curse. I think I did a great job. Under 20 minutes. Perfect. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Like, share, subscribe, please. This is what I wanted to say. I almost slipped my mind completely. I've been getting a lot of views on these EDC videos. So it's important to me that everybody who watches this, please subscribe. We're going to do videos crazy. I got so much gear. I got so much videos all summer. Every week, videos coming out for days. Men's Lifestyle channel. That's what this is here. We're almost at the 1,000 subscriber landmark. So we're going to be giving away a Daily Essentials pouch loaded up with some gear. Not too much stuff. I don't even know what I'm going to put in it yet. But like, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. My name's Will, and that's it. Peace.